Just want to be sure that's still recording. There's another approach called FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. And I just don't have time to cover it today, but maybe tomorrow I'll cover it. It's the same thing. It's exactly this. It's called FOIL. And it's going to be useful as we move into factoring. It's going to be useful as we move into factoring quadratics, as we're moving forward with that, which is the like ultimate of algebra 1. It's like
there's
quadratics are exciting.
On your website about that, and I played it and I got really confused, like with it, and then I asked my brother to help me.
Cool.
And I know.
Cool. Yeah, I wish I had time to do that. I should have just, if I had an extra 5 minutes, I could do it. But I was afraid I might confuse you. But the truth is, when I multiply these, I don't use FOIL. I use this. I use this method. X times 2x, x times 1. 5 times 2x, 5 times 1. That's how I do it, right? And but FOIL can be useful, as you'll see in the future, as I explain. I think that's all I have to teach you for today. I mean, if I wanted to do a binomial times a trinomial, would you know how to do it?
Probably, yeah.
Right. Let's do one. That'll be our last one. I'll do 3 simple ones. I mean, 2 simple ones. So we got x plus 1 times a trinomial, right? X squared plus x plus 1. Okay? So, again, I'm going to cover up the 1. It's just distributive property with the x. And then distributive property with the 1. So, it would be x cubed plus x squared plus 1x. And then plus 1x squared plus x plus 1. So now I have to combine my like terms. This is a little harder because look, I've got my 2's not right next to each other. My squareds, I mean. So I've got no x. This is the only x cubed. X cubed plus 2x squared. And then I've got 2 x's here, so plus 2x. And only a 1 there, plus 1. And now that's my answer. That makes sense? The tricky part is you have to combine the like terms on those, and they're often not next to each other. See what I mean? Did you see that? Make sense? All right, so that is all you need to know for tonight's homework. That will get you through. Say what? Trinomials, there might be. Oh, well, in tonight's homework, I wanted to show one other thing, really fast. This. You might see something like this. X plus 6 squared. X plus 6 squared. Now, some people might think that means x squared plus 36. It means this. It means x plus 6 times x plus 6. It's 2 binomials. They're multiplied times each other. And you have to use this method, right? So that's important to realize. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, that's it. That's all you need. Hopefully this works.